If you find your Keurig brewer is not operating at peak performance, you should try descaling. We recommend descaling every 3 to 6 months with Keurig Descaling Solution. It's a simple process that can help extend the life of your brewer when used regularly. In this video, we'll demonstrate the 3-step process of how to descale your Keurig brewer with a 1-cup reservoir. Here's what you'll need: a bottle of Keurig Descaling Solution, a large ceramic mug, and access to a sink. The process should take about 45 minutes. Let's get started. Pour 1/3 of the Keurig Descaling Solution into the water reservoir and add fresh water to the 10-ounce fill level. Place a ceramic mug on the drip tray. Lift and lower the handle, but do not add a K-cup pod. Press the brew button. Once the solution is dispensed, discard the hot contents into the sink. Repeat the process, but this time, when the brew indicator light turns solid, power off the brewer as it starts to dispense. Let the brewer stand for at least 30 minutes. Press and hold the brew button until the solution begins to dispense, and continue to hold the button until all of the solution has been dispensed. Discard the contents into the sink. Now, perform a cleansing brew using 12 ounces of fresh water only. Do not add descaling solution at this time. Repeat this step 2 additional times. That's it! Your brewer is now descaled and you're ready to brew. If you find your Keurig brewer is not operating at peak performance, you should try descaling. We recommend descaling every 3 to 6 months with Keurig Descaling solution. It's a simple process that can help extend the life of your brewer when used regularly. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to descale brewers with a removable reservoir. Here's what you'll need: a bottle of Keurig Descaling solution, a large ceramic mug, and access to a sink. The process should take about 45 minutes. Let's get started. Make sure the brewer is powered off and the water reservoir is empty. If you're using a Keurig water filter, remove it and set it aside. Pour the entire bottle of Keurig Descaling solution into the water reservoir. Fill the empty bottle with fresh water and add that to the reservoir. Now you'll do a cleansing brew. Power the brewer on, place the mug on the drip tray, lift the handle to be sure the pot holder is empty, then lower it and run a cleansing brew using the largest cup size on your brewer. Once the solution is dispensed, pour the hot contents of the mug into the sink. Repeat this process until add water is indicated on your brewer. Then let the brewer stand for 30 minutes with the power on. After 30 minutes, remove and empty the water reservoir and rinse it thoroughly to remove any residual solution. Fill the reservoir with fresh water to the max fill line and place the reservoir on the brewer. Repeat the cleansing brew process at least 12 times. You may need to refill the water reservoir at least once during this process. That's it! Your brewer is now descaled